Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a Valentine's, my melody. So first we're gonna get started with our hands. So on the left-hand side, curving this line around and then back in at a point. And then we're gonna come across on the right-hand side, lining that up at the same height, and we're just gonna replicate that. Now let's draw the heart in the center. So on the left-hand side, we're gonna curve this line down. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this line back up and over on the right. Coming underneath now, closing off the bottom of the heart, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the center. And then from that point, just curving this line back up and over on the side. Now let's draw on the face. On the left-hand side, we're going to draw on an oval, curving this line around and then down on the right. In the middle, we're going to draw on a sideways oval. Underneath for the mouth, we're going to curve this line around, back up. On the right-hand side now, let's draw in an oval for our right eye. And then we'll move across on the left, replicating that. Moving in towards the top now, we're going to draw in a circle for the highlight of the eye. Now let's move up and draw in our ear. So coming up in the middle, over towards the right, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then down. And then we're going to close off the side of the head, arching this line around, back in. Let's draw on the bow beside this. So leaving a gap in the center, we're going to draw in a circle. On the top, we're going to curve this line up and then down. And then on the left-hand side, again, we're gonna arch this line around, back in. For the bottom of the bow, we're gonna arch this line around, back up. And then again, on the left-hand side, just curving this line back around and then in towards the center. Now in the middle, we're going to draw a curved line on each side that comes out. Closing off the side of the face on the left-hand side, arching this line in. And now for our left ear above on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line up and then back down. Now let's draw in the feet. So we're going to curve this line around, back in. We're going to do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to draw in a heart in the right-hand corner here, curving this line around, back in. And then again from that point in the center, replicating that, bringing that down. And then one last time as we come on the left-hand side, bringing this line around and then in. And then again from that point, just curving this line around, back down. And that is it. That's how you draw Valentine's, my melody. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.